Here is Samlot Governor's office and the departments. They are very beautiful spots. It is on the hill and I view it from the building that I stand and seeing the mountains and the landscapes. Very beautiful in Samlot. I like the place very much. Hope you do also. You see here the national flag of Cambodia flying based on the wind blow. So it's very lovely and seeing the sky is very clear. Very nice weather there, cooler than Phnom Penh. Along the way, as you see, the beautiful mountains, the banana farms, and also the natures and villages, people they are living along the way. So it's really beautiful. We like this location very much, and also it is very close to Thailand. If you travel further around 10 to 20 kilometers, you will reach the border between Cambodia and Thailand. And then you can connect from there to Bangkok or to other provinces in Thailand. It's very beautiful and we like so much and we love travel even though the road is quiet and bumpy. Not so many traffic on our routes. This is the very beautiful waterfall that we can see on our way to the Durian Farm. It's really nice and we almost wanted to stop there but could not make it, so we have to continue our journey. We have arrived to the Durian Farm as we planned, and you see the durian is very big. So one durian weighs around 5 to 7 kilograms. And we love to buy some for home and for eating in our team. The taste is very sweet, very tasty and yummy. Very, very nice. And the durian in Samlot is very famous. And they distribute to the market nationwide and to the premium market as well to Phnom Penh, and with the contract farming with buyers and export to Thailand as well.
Đường tệ nó bán mùi nhóm sọt đaiแต่ở bán lôi cho Việt Hoa.
We then travel from Samlot to Pailin province. The distance is around 80 kilometers from Samlot and Pailin. So we go through the very quick road which is along the border between Cambodia and Thailand. The view and the very nice mountains and clouds. You can see the landscape, the plateaus, which is very beautiful, attractive for tourists, and it is our first time to to travel on that road.
តែមានជុំនៅ Starbucks អត់ហ៊ានកាហ្វេខុស brand បាទគេថាខុស brand ខ្ញុំអត់ផឹកទេហើយតែគួរសមហើយ
It is a nice and quiet road and smooth road that you can see on both sides the beautiful trees, houses, and also mountains. And look on the top, you can see the sky, the clouds, very white cloud cover and getting dark. From time to time, it's going to rain, but hopefully it will not. So we go this and we enjoy talking, sharing, learning, and reflecting what we have seen at the Durian Farm and also the nature there. So our purpose is to find a place that we can work and support the farmer there to produce the local vegetables, the local fruits that they can provide support to the people for local consumption and export to other neighboring countries if the market demand is high. Just want to share with you how beautiful, amazing Cambodia is. So this is for what we want to show. That's why we want to share this video with you and hope you can watch from the first start till the end, so you can see the beautiful landscape of Cambodia, especially at the remote and the province or area places that connect to our neighboring countries. It's really first time that we travel to see such beautiful countries, and we could not imagine that the nature is very beautiful and very friendly, and we love the nature, we love the weather, we love the beauty of this nature very much. We did not close our eyes even a minute. We want to see everything on the ways as first time traveler on this road. So we want to see all everything that we can come across and see, and we can share with friends, share with others how Cambodia is beautiful. So really amazing for all of us. This mountain in front of us we call Battambang, and we were lost and confused the direction, so we have to turn right to the direction from Samlot to Pailin. So now we are on the right route and the direction to Pailin province. We hope to arrive it safe and soon, and we are so hungry for dinner. On top of the mountain, as you see, is the statue of Buddha. It is the pagoda on top of the mountain, and the Buddha image has been shown up for the people easily to see from the distance, and they identify it is a pagoda that they can come to worship. Chẳng tận nơi sọc kê sao? See, here is the very beautiful place. It's like the three sea. The three seas mean like look like the sea, that a lot of trees you see on that. Very good landscape and beautiful places. We have never seen it before in our country, so this location is very particular for tourists, eco-tourists, and also promote the environment protection for the preventing of climate change. It's really important, and we have to join and put efforts together to protect our nature so that we can live long life in this beautiful country.
Mấy nhà ô nó có thả bánh cho năm thế này. Đi đi, bờ. Trong bờ nó nắng mấy. Giờ tới đi. Tới mà đẹp mà lỗ ấy. Giờ ăn mau tan nó thế đó. Nó con sụp thế này. Giờ nó nghỉ cho nó. Là muốt
We
đấy.
stopped on the way as to buy some avocados and also the papayas that grow by the local farmer here. They give us to taste the meat of the avocado is very sticky and sweet. Very nice. I used to eat the avocado from other places, other provinces, but the taste here is nicer and really good. We love it. So we bought some avocados for our meal and also our fruit during the trip.
Em được hồng nhé.
We arrived now to the Pailin city, and as you see on the left, there's a mountain called Phnom Yat. Yat is the name followed by a woman, an old lady named Yat. So she lived there and she died and buried on that mountain. So the mountain name got after her name. So Phnom Yat. So this is the story of this mountain and it's very attractive to tourists. There are many tourists come to visit, local tourists and foreigners to come to visit every year. So in front of us is the Independent Monument. It is built in every provinces in Cambodia to remember of our freedom from the colony, that we got freedom from the colony more than 70 years. So it is really the symbolic of freedom we got from the colony. And now we have to go to our hotel to find a place we can stay tonight and we can have a good sleep after a long journey. And although it is a long journey but exciting, we love to see all the natures, the beautiful natures that we have come across. Here is our hotel, Pailin City. I have checked in to this single bedroom. It's very nice room. I like it very much. You see, it's very big room, and the pillow and also the mattress and the cover is nice. And you see this TV screen and the table. I can work, I can do whatever I want. And we have the window, the view of the city, and you can see later on that I will review it. You see from the window, the 5th floor, that from my room you can see the whole city from above. Very nice evening. The city is almost yellow color because of the sun almost set. You see from the top to the floors, many people, parking, traffic, and you see the sky still bright, but it's yellow coming because the sun almost set. So very nice. I like this place and like the view from my room. I can see everything outside on the street and also down in front of the hotel. Let's go for dinner shortly. As it was a long journey and it's so exciting, we also hungry, so we order some food to eat together in a team. So we have bread paste with the meat, we have the beef grill, very tasty, smell very good, and also we have some vegetables and we have other dishes that we can eat together. We enjoy so much the food and it will give us the energy and we can sleep well tonight, so that tomorrow we will continue our mission in Pailin, as well as we have to go back to Samlot to complete our assessment and research on the livelihood and agriculture support program that we have come together to look for information, possibility of improving the agriculture products in this remote and the border between Cambodia and Thailand. Hope you enjoy this video and hope you like this video as well, and it gives you some thing to see and exciting together with us. Thank you. If you like to see more video, just want to see the beauty and the landscape and everything in Cambodia, we will share with you through this channel, because we will travel everywhere, all the provinces of Cambodia, to see the possibility of what we can help to these people so that we can improve their living conditions, especially helping the children not to engage in child labor, but to obtain education and a very bright future, good health, and the well-being of all children, as they are the bamboo shoot of this nation. They are the human resource, the capital development resource for the country. Thank you very much for your support and seeing this video. Hope you enjoy, you like and share, and also you can subscribe to our channel and we can share more video later on with you. Thank you.